Hello, hello. Can you hear me, guys? Wow, wow. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? So, pretty nice trading day today. Well, welcome, mate, welcome. Today we had hold on, U.S. trade balance and initial jobless claims, right? Um, the initial jobless claims came better than expected. And um, let's look for some longs on U.S. equities at the open. Hello, how are you guys? All right, so buenos dias. Hello, Jason from the UK. I took some longs on the S&P 500 after jobless claims right around this level, and I got stopped out of break even on them. I'm looking for longs right now. Let's have a look. I mean, it's super sketchy, right? But all right, so possibly, we have weak players getting in long at the trap. I hate it. I don't like placing buy limits around these levels, right? Because there's a lot of liquidity right here. So we'll see what the open brings. This is going to be a very short live show because I'm I'm actually already done for the day. I took one short. I'm gonna show you actually. I took one short in gold with the swing trading team, and yeah, we made 300 pips. And we took a smart, small. I'm sorry, Euro USD short also with the VAPs. All right, the market is about to open, so let's wait. If the Nasdaq liquidates these lows, I'll probably get in on a very small long here around the 17,537. Hello, William. Hello, trade travel addicted. All right, let's go. I'm fine, William. John, I'm fine. Thank you. Do you think gold will go up now? I don't know. We'll see. Let's wait for this liquidation so I can get in on some longs.
Some positive geopolitical news now is Hamas says it's agreed with Qatar to continue truce talks.
All right, let's wait for this liquidation. Looking good.
Got a higher start for the likes of the S&P and Nasdaq now up 0.7.8% at the start of play. Dow they're up 0.6. So right at the top of the hour we have some durable goods data as a March final read, as well as factory orders for March.
That was a very nice short that we took. All right, so it's up here. Oh boy. Heads up here. Which instrument am I watching? I'm watching the S&P 500 here, um, and the Nasdaq on the left. These are the micro futures contract on those markets. All right, we should wait for the liquidation of those lows. Very mellow. Let's have a look at the euro. All right. So very mellow open. I'm not gonna speak too much today. My throat is killing me. But go ahead, ask any questions. Is there a reason you don't analyze the regular FX instrument again? Uh, well, I mean, I'm trading futures at the moment, so I'm going to look at the markets that I'm trading, right? At the instruments that I'm trading. But it's the same, right? It's the same. I mean, price-wise, of course, it's not the same. Uh, but price action-wise, it is. Mhm. All right. All right, guys. Hmm. Bye. All right, I'm going to not the Nasdaq. This is very bearish, but I'm going to take a small long here. 50.64. Maybe not.
BOC's Macklem on the wires again, reiterating that even when we start reducing interest rates, it's likely to be a pretty gradual path.
A very smallish long on the S&P 500. This will be my last trade of the day. Aggressive entry. I'm up $920 for the day, so I'm risking here on the S&P 500. I think $100 on an aggressive entry, and this will be my last trade of the day. Maybe not. You shorted Nasdaq? Good, man. Good, good, good. I'm on the long side of U.S. equities myself. Nice reaction here in the Nasdaq. I'll probably get stopped out here. Yeah, most definitely should have followed my plan to trade the Nasdaq and not the S&P 500. But well, let's wait and see what happens. Yeah, I should have traded the Nasdaq as my plan dictated, not the S&P 500. But again, let's wait and see what happens. Very nice reaction on the Nasdaq. Oh boy. There's been bearish divergences. Yeah, I know. I know. I don't look at divergences myself. So I look at gold. Gold has a very nice entry short. Right here on the 5-minute chart.
BOC's Macklem says if federal carbon tax were to be eliminated, inflation would drop for 1 year and then go back up to where it otherwise would have been.
We created shoulders last night, maybe. buyers jumping in. Now, sellers are in control here. I'm gonna get stopped out. But this gold long is looking very good. Possible what? 2.3 R? Uh, right here, right below the lows made. 5064.
More from Macklem here says the bank could start cutting rates before inflation rate hits 2%. Cites importance of seeing a sustainable decline in inflation.
All right, buyers jumping in. I'm not out of the woods just yet, right? This is very bearish. Let's see what happens, right? This gold short might be a very, very good entry. I'm going to wait and see how it reacts to this level. Let's have a look at the Nasdaq. Yeah, the Nasdaq. Liquidity being created here as a trap on gold. This is good. Okay, coming back to the 5 minute chart on gold. All right, guys. I'm about to get short. Yeah, very bullish in Nasdaq. Again, I don't know why I didn't traded the Nasdaq instead of the S&P 500. Yeah, this was a mistake. Entering long on the S&P 500 instead of the Nasdaq. hmm My entry in the Nasdaq was here. My stop losses were all the way down here. So let's wait and see what happens with the S&P 500. Gold is super bearish today. I don't know. I don't think this is going to play out. And if it does, I'm not going to stay in front of my charts to babysit it. You use I use your entry model on the Nasdaq. Really? So are you long? Yeah. Yeah, got stopped out on the S&P 500. Be careful because this is very bearish now. This is very bearish. Now the question is, not out of the woods. That's right. Very bearish. Be careful. Uh, hmm. Boom. Be careful. All right, so I'm sorry, guys. I know I'm not speaking too much today, but I mean, my throat's just killing me, and I, I think I have not COVID again, but something. Excellent, Godspeed, Freeman. Amazing. So, in hindsight, not in hindsight, it's fine. The thing is that on this possible short gold, targets are here, right? Um, this will be just catching up to, the current move. I already took all my shorts in gold from this level. This is where I shorted. I'm gonna show you my executions actually.
Okay, we're 10 minutes now from the top of the hour, and we do have the final read for durable goods data that
Hey,
comes in for March. Also, factory orders will be released at the same time as well. So we'll have a look at what to expect. Getting some final reads here. It's really just cleaning up the.
so here's where I went short on gold earlier today. Took 80% here, and then took the rest here. Um, that is my trade, or was my trade for today. Now, if we go back to the 5 minute chart, right? um, We're looking at a possible 2.8 R, but this market is super bearish. Uh, I really think that it's going to hit, liquidate these lows, hit those buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity. I'm sorry. If it doesn't, I'm going to take this short. If it doesn't, I'm going to take this short because this is the final TP or final target in gold. So if we get that pullback and the liquidation of these weak players, I am going to take those shorts. Have a look at this. Hola, Angelita. My housekeeper is here, so I've been hawking Nasdaq for a while. What do you mean by that? Let's hunt this gold short. This is looking phenomenal. Now on the 15-minute chart. I'm definitely not taking another trade on U.S. equities today. Other than short, maybe, I don't know. We'll see later. See, as I told you, gold is so bearish. I don't think we're going to get that liquidation before, price breaks the 22.92 level. So, but if it doesn't liquidate the 22.92 level, even if it gets all the way here and pulls back, I am going to get in on this short. Um, for a groovy end of day short. I'm not still talking about P, so maybe negative for gold. I'm not too interested in the geopolitical aspect of this market right now. I'm just trading price action. Um, this is good. Their support area. Once it breaks, we'll dip further. Yes, maybe. In on the Nasdaq, literally news just opened as market. What? Literally news just happened as the market opened. Yeah, I know. We had unemployment claims. I think just how I look at this is the Japanese yen futures. How I look at all of these weak short players getting liquidated. It's insane. All right, guys. So I'm gonna log out because my throat's killing me, and I'm done for the day. With both my Euro USD short and my gold short. Um, yeah, I lost the last trade. I lost $120, right, on this combine. Um, and as you can see here, this is a combine. So this is basically a challenge for futures on a prop firm from a futures prop firm. The account balance a couple of weeks ago, a week and a half or 2 weeks ago was 150K. I'm at 156. I need to get to 159 to get the account, and that's what I am doing at the moment. That's why I'm looking at these markets. I was um, I almost took a second entry long here on the S&P 500, but I am not going to do that. I'm gonna hunt gold. I am going to hunt gold. I don't think I'm going to send a signal on this trade. And I'm not gonna stay here for uh, you know um, to wait for this possible setup to develop. I'll just take it if I see it. Right? I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.